I'm Sarah and
I'm Caroline.
And we are part of the senior psychology team for Bedford and Luton, and we've been doing a QI project with Happy Heart Island, Dogs, Cogs and Dolphins. So our project came from the staff satisfaction survey in 2019, suggested that there was some dissatisfaction amongst the senior psychology team. We're quite geographically dispersed across Bedfordshire and Luton, so getting together and connecting was something that was quite a challenge. So we used some of the QI methodology to think together about how we can improve joy and restore joy back in the workplace for us. I'll just swap this over. So our aim, using the Good Day app, was to increase our mostly yes responses by 20% by March 2020. We had some tests of change, which were positive gossip, our change ideas were positive gossip and our going home checklist. So the positive gossip was around noticing and passing on feedback, which is the positive gossip to colleagues, and also receiving it. And our going home checklist was mindfully reflecting on the day, noticing both difficulties and achievements, and I guess self-validation was also in there. Do you want to say a bit about the data?
Yes, so our response rate was 84%, which was a great response rate from the senior psychology team. And within the sort of 7 months of the project, we managed to achieve improvements in the mostly yes responses on the Good Day app from 54% to 74%. So it was just short of our 20% aim, because there's a few points in there that we didn't mention.
So what we learned from this, I guess coming together as a team was quite the challenge, again, as I said, geographically. So we used things, we used Zoom as a way of connecting outside of our team meeting, which was once a month. So we had half an hour each, every other Thursday, and that was the opportunity to just get together, find out how the project's been going, encouraging people, motivating people to continue with the Good Day app. And also to bring some joy and some silliness, I think, into our work day. Some of the photos there, so all wearing hats there, and lots of stuffed animals in the office. And yeah, it was a good way of kind of connecting on a more regular basis.
And yeah, we hope to carry on spreading the joy through positive gossip and mindful reflection.